show you I built out a GitHub and VSCode snippet to image kind of an editor where you can actually share your source code and export this to an image file. So various themes are also supported, and you'll see this application runs entirely in the browser. So if you need the source code, the link is given. You can directly purchase it. So it's basically useful for basically sharing your code snippets inside a blog post. So here you will paste the source code, whatever source code that you are sharing. Automatically it will show it in the live preview. So here you can manipulate the file name. You can also change the theme of the window as well. Various themes are supported. As you can see, with a single click you can activate any of the themes. And in the advanced option you can even change the language here or whatever source code you are highlighting. So with a single click, so here you can change the background color. You can even change the font as well. The font size can also change, and then you can even change the padding. You can toggle the line numbers if you don't need this. Then we have the download image button. So once you click the button, automatically the source code will be exported. So you can directly purchase it and add additional features as well on top of this application. So it's very useful for VS Code and GitHub for sharing code snippets.